ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ. This is SSR solenoid module, 8 channel smart SSR channel relay module. This has got 8 input and 8 output. These are with a common supply of 24 volts, DC 24 volts, operating 5 to 24 volts it works. These are the supply connections, and the top portion is the input connections, and the rear side it's on the output connections. Here I'll switch on. There is an indication LED which indicates power on with a green light. These are the inputs, and this is the common for input side. This can be used for PNP and NPN. Now I am using the PNP. My common supply is 0 volts. If it is a NPN, you have to use the plus supply. Now since it is an PNP, I have used a 0 supply, and it has got the features of 4 amps output, each channel 4 amps, the maximum of 14 amps. By making all the shorting, you can make up to a 14 amps you can use. And I am switching on the inputs, individual inputs, and this is my setup. This is SSR solenoid relay board, and this is SMPS 24 volts. This used only for my testing I have used, and this is so you can make solenoid. Port 1, port 2 is there. I have connected port 1 to channel 1 and port 2 to channel 2. I'm switching on the outputs. In the output side, this is the input 1. Input 1 indicates the output, it is coming, and this and output 2 solenoid is getting on. Similarly, solenoid port 1 will comes on. Similarly, you can switch on all the output at a time. If required, all the output can make it at a time, no problem. This, and it has got one more feature, short circuit facility. In short circuit facility, suppose solenoid gets shorted. Now output is 1 is high. Suppose this solenoid gets failure, shorted, so immediately other outputs will be in working condition, but that particular output will goes off. I am forcibly forcibly I am shorting this. Now my fault red indication it comes, that means that particular output goes off, other outputs are on, other outputs are still working, but the card will not fail. So that if you want to reset this, we need to switch off and switch on. Now the output number 1 has come back. If suppose this solenoid has failed, immediately replace the solenoid and you can start using. You need not to switch off the whole module or replace the module. Thank you.